A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to permutation combinations. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed the questions, smart questions related to combinations and their calculation NCR based on NCR. So now in today's lecture I will discuss some word problems. So see, now question is, find the number of different words find the number of different words that can be formed by jumbling the letters jumbling the letters of word Mississippi in which no two adjacent s in which no two s are adjacent. See, this is the question and we have to find the total number of different words that can be formed from the letters of word Mississippi in which no two s are adjacent. So how we can solve this? See the solution. The total number of different words that can be formed from the letters of words Mississippi in which no two s are adjacent. No two s are adjacent. That will be, suppose total number of letter is 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 11. So first of all I will draw 11 box here. So that is 12. Suppose there is a letters excluding S or S place that can be filled. S, 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 S. So how many places are there? Here we can put S. Suppose there are 7 letter excluding S. So suppose 7 letter is M. Suppose I, alternate place, and now I and PP. P and P. So how many place for S are left? How many places for S that is left? One place, two place, three place, four place. This is fifth place. This is sixth place. This is seventh place, and this is eighth place. So now S we can fill by using 7 ways. So S we can fill by using 8 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to select 4 out of 8. Now result is 8C4 and multiply. Remaining alphabets is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7C. How many letters we can select? 7C, or we can write factorial 7, not 7C. This is factorial 7. These 7 alphabets we can fill by factorial 7 ways, in which 1, 2, 3, 4 means I is repeating 4 times. So factorial 4, and 2P is repeating. Now factorial 2 and factorial 4. And this one we can solve. This is 8C4, you know. 8C4 means factorial 8 upon factorial 4 into factorial 4 into factorial 7 whole upon factorial 2 into factorial 4. So this calculation we can write. It's a result after calculation that will be what will be the answer? Its answer will be, after calculation, when 7, 4 all term will cancel, factorial 4 term will cancel, and now result will be 5, 6, 7, and this factorial 4 will cancel. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 6 will cancel from 4 times because this is 24, and 4 to the 8 is here, so 8 will cancel from this. So number is 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, and 576. 5 7 5 7 6. 5 7 and 5 6 7, not 5 7 6. So 5 6 7. So this result will be 49 into 7 7 ja 49 into 150. So 49 into 150. Now 49 into 150, and now result will be 4900 and next 2400. So 00 2450. So 0537 means 7350. Answer is 7350. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now you can see. You can see this result. Now you will see again. In this question, we have to find the total number of different letters, different letter words, different words that can be formed by jumbling the letters of word Mississippi, and Mississippi is given spelling MISSIPPI, SSI, in which two S are adjacent, so S cannot be comes together. So in case you will write the total number of different letter words or different arrangements of the letters of word that can be formed from the letters of word Mississippi, and Mississippi spelling is given. So you will see how many places for S we can set. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So there are 8 places we can fill S. So out of 8 places we have to select only 4. So 8C4. 8C4 is the selection of S. Now alphabets are there. There are 7 places for alphabets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So these 7 alphabets we can arrange by factorial 7, and a repeating alphabet is factorial I. Repeating alphabet is I, so I is 4 times, so factorial 4 we will divide. This is the identical part. And factorial 2 means for double P. So after calculation you will get this result. See, this will cancel factorial 4 and from factorial 8, so 5 6 7 8, and now 6 will cancel from factorial 4. Result will be only 4 because 6 for factorial 4 result is 24. Now 5 and 7 is here. Factorial 4 will cancel from factorial 7, so result will be 5 6 7, and this 2 will cancel from 8. This 4 to the 8 is here. Now 5 7 and 5 6 7. Now when you will multiply, so result you will get 7350. 7350 is the answer. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Now question number 2 is, now I will come to the next question. The next question is, So how many different number? Now the next question is, how many different numbers greater than 50,000 can be formed from the letters of word, and word is given, this is letters of word, not how many different numbers greater than 5,000 can be formed from with the digits, with the digits. Now see, digit is given, with the digits. Digit is 11590. 11590. Now this is 5 digits number. We have to form greater than 50,000. Now see the solution. There are given digits, that is 5 digits. So the given digits, that is 11590. We have to make numbers greater than 50,000. The total number of the total number of numbers greater than 50,000 formed by using the digits 11590. So what we can write? You have a given digit 11590. So 10,000 place we can fill only 5 and only 9. So we can write number of digits, or numbers start with 5 digit numbers start with 5 and 5 digit numbers start with 9. That is 5 digits number start with 5 plus 5 digits number start with 9. So what we can write? 5 digit numbers start with 5. Suppose we are going to make this box. So this place we can fill only one ways, and this place means only we put here 5. So this is one ways, and 1190, its arrangement, this is 1 into factorial 4 and whole upon factorial 2 for 1. Now similarly, this one we can fill by 9, so this is one ways, and this one 5110. So this result we can write factorial 4 ways, and repeating alphabet, repeating digit is 1, so factorial 2. Now this one we have to sum. So what you will get the result? Result we can get this is 12 calculation, and this is also 12. So 12 plus 12 result is 24. Now see, 24 is the answer. Is the answer. Now again see, in this question we have to find the total number of 5-digit number which is greater than 50,000. So greater than 50,000 means unit tens, 100,000 place, 10,000 place. So at 10,000 place we can fill the digit only 5 and only 9. So when you will put 5, so repeating digit or a remaining digit we can set at this 4 box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 box for remaining digits. So 1190 is here. Now 1190 we can set by using factorial 4 ways. And factorial 4 ways, in this digit 1 is repeating, so we can divide by factorial 2. Now this result we can get 1 into factorial 4 upon factorial 2. Result we can get, that is 24 by 2, result is 12. Similarly, this 10,000 place we can set by using only one ways. Only we can set 9 here. We have set 5, similarly we can set 9. So 9 when you put by one ways, so 5110 is remaining letters digit. So 5110 we can set by using factorial 4, and the repeating digit is factorial 2. So we have divided, and now you will get the same result, that is 12. Now this is 12 and this is 12. After adding, whole result will be 24. Now there are 24 numbers which is greater than 9, which is greater than 50,000. We can frame. There are 24 numbers which is greater than 50,000. We can frame by using the digits 11590. So see, so this question is so important questions related to your syllabus, and you can solve many questions related to these topics, and you can take any other digits also and can solve this. Now see, if any doubts, can clear it. You can take also 10,000, also 25,000, also 50,000. So there are so many digits you can set. Now you can see. So many questions related to this topic you can do yourself. Now this topic combination based on questions. So this is totally completed. Now see,